So I just got a new Ipsy bag. This is my Ipsy bag that just came. Ready, set, play. And it is a June 2023 bag. I wanted to show y'all the products that I got because I love my Ipsy products. Like, I really do. Like, I just look forward to seeing what new products they have, what they got in store for me, what I might like, what I might not like. But I rarely have that issue where I don't like something. Only when they send me the same freaking eyeshadow every time. Let's change the colors up, babes. So we got this sponge. It is a red sponge. It is called a Rena Readable Corazano Power Puff. It says this Power Puff is a tool your makeup routine is missing. It easily picks up loose and pressed powder for seamless application. Whether you're using it all over your face or just under your eyes, you'll love this soft puff. Tip: it's reusable. Just wash it with soap and water and let it air dry. So I know I said the name completely wrong, but this is the sponge. And you just put your finger. Don't look at my nails because I took off half of my press-on nails and I was trying to decide should I put them back on or put on a new set. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So you would slide your hand through this right here and you would just basically be pressing it on your face, okay? So that's my new sponge that I got. Second item we have is a micro delivery exfoliating daily facial wash from Philosophy. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Like, I just don't know how to say stuff correctly sometimes. Like, sometimes I may need assistance with it. So don't feel no type of way about it. I'm just gonna put the information below. But this is, let's go to it. Let's see. I love facial products, by the way. I just love taking care of my skin. I wear makeup, so why not take care of the skin that's under there? Because when I take off the makeup under there, I want to look beautiful. I want to still look amazing. So, yeah, this one says this is a fan fave face wash. Not only cleanses your skin, but it also gives and provides a gentle exfoliation that helps leave your skin feeling super soft and smooth. Formulated with fine-grained desert earth and a gentle amino acid derived cleansing system, this face wash delivers a rejuvenating deep clean. Tip: massage for 30 to 60 seconds for a thorough cleanse. Can I get my words out, please? No more products where I just can't even say it right, okay? Even if that happens, like I said, it's gonna be below, okay? So this is the product right here. Next up we have is, what is it? Anti-Dots Liquid Concealer. Liquid concealer. I'm talking about liquor. Girl, are you on your own bull liquor? I don't even know what I just said. But literally, I'm on something for me to have even made that up just now. And then I just said liquor concealer. Girl, what? Anywho, this is liquid concealer and it is skincare meets color. And I am so grateful because I just ran out of concealer today anyway, so it was perfect timing for me to have opened this anyway. So, this is The Balm Cosmetics by Anti-Dots Liquid Concealer in number 30. This clean concealer works to help hide your perfect imperfections and dark circles, leaving you with a flawless finish all day long. Plus, it's full of good-for-you ingredients like hyaluronic acid for moisture and vitamin C for an antibiotic complexion boost. Tip: for a lifted look, blend with the inner and outer corners of the under eye. So I can't wait to see how this concealer does me. I literally can't talk tonight, but it's really sad. Next up we have a In-State Cosmetic Cream Highlighter and Blast Off. Let's start reading what it says while I'm opening up this package right here. Want a glow so good you'll be seen from space? This gold highlighter should do the trick. Lightweight, blendable, and long-lasting till it gives you a dewy shimmer that reveals the stars. Tip: with your fingers, lightly dab the cream onto the areas you want to illuminate. So this is the product. And it's like, it's just gold. It's just very gold and sparkly. Okay, so next up, I can't wait to use that one. I have a bunch of highlighters, so I'm not like fully excited because I got a whole bunch of highlighters. And last but not least, we have this Unfiltered Beauty Co. Pout Lip Potion Oil in So Retro. And sometimes Ipsy lets you choose the one product that you want to add to your bag, and I think I chose this one. And I love lip potions. I just really love anything that protects my lips, make my lips look cute and popping'. And yeah, so let's start reading this. This lip treatment is like a magical potion for a plump, juicy pout. The bouncy jelly formula is packed with ingredients like castor seed, sunflower and soybean oils, shea butter, vitamin E, and cranberry and raspberry extracts that work together to give your lips a healthy, irresistible pink glow. Tip: glide over your lipstick to give your lips a glossy finish. So I'm excited about this one because I just love lip gloss. I love just treating my lips because they need to look luscious at all times. Yeah. So that is all for my Ipsy kit for this month. You guys let me know which products you're interested in knowing more details about. I can try to provide all the knowledge that I can based off of me at least using it the one time or a few times whenever you ask me. I don't know how many times I'm going to use it, but just ask and then I can just try to answer you the best of my ability. Thank you so much for watching what's in my Ipsy bag, and let me know if you want to see next month's Ipsy bag. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.